Okay, so I'm gonna pat in my concealer really nice and bake it with some light Bare Minerals powder just so we can set our eyes. So I'm going in with my Morphe 350 palette, and there's an orange like reddish color that's in that palette that's so gorgeous, and I wanted to just make that build up until it was extremely bright, and that's what I was going for. Very bright red. So I'm also going with this orange to put it on top just to add more color. Then I'm going in with this I'm basically doing a gradient effect, so I'm just going to keep on going down in colors because we are creating a cut crease, and I want it to be very noticeable that it is a cut crease, and like the levels of colors just going from dark to bright basically. And I'm also elongating the colors and bringing them past my eyebrow basically, because I want my eye space to look bigger than what it is. I do have hooded eyes, so I do also have to create my eye space, because if I followed my own eye shape, it wouldn't, be popping, you feel me? So I'm putting a very light layer of concealer on my brush because I'm going to outline it first. After I outline it, that's when I go in and put that concealer all the way on there. But you got to make sure it's perfect first. It is. And after I make that line, I'm actually going to darken that line with a darker shade in that same palette. Just because I told you before that I wanted it to be gradient and I wanted to show pop, you dig? So I'm going to go clean it up one more time, and I promise that's the last time for now that I'm going to clean it up. But you got to make sure that, precision is there, And we're just going to make sure we're going to do the same thing like we did in the beginning. Pat it in real good and set it with that Bare Minerals powder. And I'm going in with my shimmer powder in the color Bronze, number 17 from Mica Beauty. And I'm just going to first go basically as close as the line as possible and then pat it in. Because like I said, we're looking for precision here, ladies. Precision. Okay? And that's how that looks. It's so pretty and it's so pigmented. And then that color that I just showed you is like a rose gold color when you put it on top of that bronze, and it's so sexy. It's so sexy. It's just very sexy to me. It was so purplish, pinkish bronze. I just loved it. And then I'm going in with some eyeliner to basically make my eye look even more extra. That's what I want. And I'm making my eyeliner very long today because we're being extra, okay? We're extra today. Okay? Go.
You're so damn important. Everything you do shows me you know it. Behind it all, you are the motive. Don't tell you enough.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, subscribe, and share. So all my beautiful people out there, don't let anyone tell you can't, because you can and you will. They just mad because they won't. And girl, I ain't even gonna lie to you, I'm feeling my lady. Girl, y'all ain't never seen this. I ain't never seen this shit. This is the first time. I want y'all to come a little closer. Come a little closer. Come a little. I'm very proud of my work. I'm not even gonna lie to you. This came out really good. I'm just really surprised at myself because I've never done this before. But thank you guys for sticking with me and journeying with me while I'm experimenting and all of that. Okay? All right. Bye.